Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time stopping by, you're welcome to stay. In today's video, I will show you how to create this cute kids butterfly bow bun hairstyle using Kinky hair extension. The major material to use is the Kinky hair extension. I used a count of 5. Another materials that I have used to style includes beads, flexible color rubber, black rubber, butterfly clips, and eco styling gel. Now let's start with styling the front. I went ahead to make 4 cornrows to the front and styled it with beads. You can be creative with the front section. If you don't want to do cornrows, you can do single twists or braids or whatever your mind tells you to do. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to be using cornrows and styling mine with beads. To style the back of the hair, pack the hair upwards and apply enough gel to lay the hair and brush the hair upwards. Once the hair is flat enough, use a rubber like the one I showed earlier to wrap the hair for firm hold. Now let's prep the Kinky extension. Use a soft elastic band like this one to create a holding loop just at the center of the hair. Once that is done, place your 2 fingers in the holding loop and wrap around the pony. Turn the Kinky extension to face the front of the hair. Now over to creating the butterfly bun. The first thing to do is to conceal the ponytail plaits by tucking it in between the Kinky hair so that it is not visible. Use a rubber to hold the hair just very close to the mouth of the hair. Once you have done that, fold the mouth towards the back. Hold folded part together with the hair and use your rubber to wrap around and hold the hair in place. After that is done, you might realize that you do not have a perfect butterfly shape, but what you can do is to adjust the rubber and the hair until you get your perfect butterfly shape. Now let's finish up the styling. I went ahead to twist the plaits at the front and then touched up with some butterfly clips. This is our final result, and I can assure you your little girl will blow you kisses after you make this hairstyle for her. We've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe. See you next time.